In this video, we will show the best 2-ton air conditioners in India 2020. At number 1, Daikin FTKG60. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, LG 2-ton Inverter Split AC. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Blue Star Split AC. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Panasonic 2-ton Split AC. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.